So this is laws of exponents. So the first type of problem we're going to look at is a zero zero problems. So any term to the power of 0 equals 1. So like if a sorry
Oh my god! Stop calling.
Shut up! So any term of 0 Shut up! So any term of 0 and any term to the 0 power. So if I had so this is 0 problems. So that basically means any term to the 0 power equals 1. So if I had a problem like x to the 0, that would just be x. So, for example, if I had n4 divided by n4, that would just be, because you would divide this, you would divide these two numbers, well, the exponents, you would divide the exponents by each other, and that would just equal n. Okay, the rule for negative exponents is it's just the inverse of the operation. So, if I have, not 2, if I have x to the negative third, it would just equal x third because rule of negatives, you would just flip the signs. So, if I had x to the negative third, it would just equal x to the third because you would just flip the signs. Now, if I had x to the third, oops. For multiplying, the rule is you add the exponents and then multiply the base numbers. So, for example, if I had 7a squared times 6a to the third, you would multiply your base numbers. So that would just be 42. Then you would add the exponents. You'd still keep your x or whatever letter was given to you, but you always add the exponents. You never multiply them. So that would just be 42a to the fifth. For dividing, the rule is you like if I had 3x squared over like so for dividing, the rule is you divide your whole numbers and subtract your exponents. So for example, if I had 21x to the third divided by 7x squared, you would divide these two, giving you 3, and and then you would subtract your exponents. So 3 minus 2 is 1. So you would get 3x as your answer. Okay, so for power to power, you multiply your exponents. So for example, if I had 4x cubed, you would multiply that. Then you would cube 4x, so that's 4 times 4 times 4, 16, 64. So you would cube the 4, which is 64. Then you would multiply the 3 by this exponent right here outside the thing. So it would be 64x because you always keep the x, and then it would be to the 9th. Hello.
Done.